Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Welcome to another morning thoughts, everybody. It's SouFLoTV, Madaya. Let me first say it is one day away from the weekend, and for those of us who work Monday to Friday and we have Saturday and Sunday off, this day is a very welcome day because it means that tomorrow is our last day before we can go enjoy real life a little bit, right? Not saying that work ain't real life because it's all a part of the beautiful struggle called life. This video today we come to talk about some of my brethren this morning, right? First of all, yesterday I talked about the importance of a man owning up to his responsibilities, supporting his children, not only financially, but being there physically. And then also on top of that, being a support system for a woman that is bringing your child into the world or has brought your child into the world. You know what I'm saying? So it was about talking to the brothers them yesterday and the man them yesterday, right? SouFLoTV Nation. Today, we're going to talk about ladies, women. We're going to talk about how, but check it. This morning I woke up, my brethren over Solid Rock. Big up yourself. My brethren over Solid Rock, he put up a post this morning on Instagram. I'm gathering my thoughts. I'm right here, right in front of where I go to get my daily bread. All right. So, he put up a post on Instagram this morning, and the post said, Stop telling all these girls on Facebook or Instagram or social media that they're beautiful. Come off of social media and go tell it to your wife, right? And then in the comment section, somebody said, you know how long some of them girl here, not hear from them man, say them beautiful and whatever. And I thought to myself, that goes both ways. That goes both ways. Because yesterday it was about the men, today I'm going to be about the women them. Check it, ladies, listen. Whatever the reason was that made you get in a relationship with your man in the first place, at some point, you found him handsome and sexy and all these other things. Unless you're one of them girls that will just fling out crutches and don't care, and any type is your type. But I'm sure that's not who majority of you are, right? So, and then again, some of us are masculine, you know, like man on yourself and you want woman too. So I'm not talking to you either. I'm talking about the woman them in a man, right? So check it. This time it's about how you treat the man. Now, really and truly, all I ever see on social media is a real man will know how to do this. A real man would never do that. A real man would never let his woman struggle. A real man bam bam blah 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 blah. Nobody ever says a real woman does this. A real woman does that. A real queen knows that it is important for her to protect her king. All these other things, right? So I'm saying to myself this morning, all these women want to be loved, cared for, protected, made to feel beautiful and all these other things. Do you know that men want the same thing? Men want the same thing. Them want security. Them want to feel like say them handsome all the time too. Them all when them put on them little winter weight and them belly gone over and belt. And them they want to feel like, you know what I'm saying, like you got eyes for only him too. He don't want to take you somewhere and every man pass, you can't make a man pass because your eye follow everything that move in his presence. You know what I'm saying? That kind of stuff. So, ladies, you have to reciprocate. You have to do the same thing. And a lot of the times why, listen to me good, a lot of the times why your man stop tell you, say you're beautiful, is because he got to realize that him telling you that you're beautiful, I've personally experienced this before. Him telling you that you're beautiful, he realized that it means nothing to you now. You go through the, damn babe, you're so beautiful, you're this and that. You know, you said things to her, and she's like, oh, thank you, babe. Damn, you make me feel like a princess. She twirl her like a Brazilian song. You make me feel like a princess, or if she have natural hair, she go on like, you know what I'm saying? Like, your words mean something to her. Your compliments mean a lot. Then you get to the point where, after a while, it's like, yeah, okay, whatever. All right, or thank you. It's like she don't want to hear your compliments. She wants to hear it, but it means nothing to her anymore. It's just like, another compliment, put it in the bag. but I really want compliment from outside people. I want compliment from guys who've never seen me before in person. I want compliments from guys on social media. So when I post me like a picture of them and some boy come on it and say, pick a, splash, splash, heart, or come on it and say, yo girl, you looking good, big up yourself, or damn mama, or them kind of something there, or I hope your man treat you right, because if he don't, I will. Those are the things that start to drive certain women outside attention, not necessarily social media. It could even be going to the gym or walking in the mall or walking down the street. If a man look upon her, you see she looking at him direction 10 times, or she can't take her eye off of the side of the room he's on, or she bat her eye after him so 50 times, and you know, it's like a deer caught in the headlights. She's bedazzled by another man's attention, outside attention. A lot of men pay attention, close attention to their women. And ladies, listen to me. A man's ego is very fragile. And I know you're going to say, yeah, so that's a theme business. Nope. Just like it's his business to make sure that you feel secured and make sure that you don't feel like, say, him have eyes for every other girl that pass. It's your job to do the same thing. Okay? Relationship is hard work. It doesn't go only one way. That is why a wise man said, it is a beautiful institution. Relationship and marriage and these things, they're beautiful institutions. For those of us who love being in institutions. Like prison and them something there. But anyway, watch me. You have to start, and a lot of you women too, you get to the point where you make the man feel like, say, he has to fight for his manhood. Especially Jamaican women or Caribbean women. May I speak about Jamaican women for a minute? Oh God, him chat so much, him chat like gal. Comparing your man to a girl, that's the worst thing you can do, right? Again, a man's ego is very fragile. So when you start to compare your man to a girl and woman's strength and them thing there, you will lay down with him and him body don't work for you. And then you go tell people how, me not knowing him pop down him thing don't work no more. You see him side chick, she'll get proper leathering. Like how you used to get it. The kind of work will make you did say, no man, me have to cuff that one and me want him for myself. Alright? So, a man's done that son little brain feed off him big brain, remember that. And you have to boost up him big brain. You have to treat the little brain good turn, but you have to boost up the big brain also. So, remember that also, right? Spice up the thing, make the man feel like king at all times, and he will definitely reciprocate if he's a good man. If you're not with a good man, then that's your choice, but go find you a good man. Don't jump from man to man neither. I don't support that. What me that say? Alright, so back to this whole the woman needs. Man need the same things too, ladies. One more thing I'm gonna say before I go. When you are there, right, and you have your good man, and you stop telling him or you have never told him, I want my brothers to come on the comment section and tell me when last your woman look at you and say, damn babe, you sexy as fuck, yo, and come here and kiss you up somewhere, and it not lead to sex. I just she want to tell her, say, yo babe, you're fine, you know, you're sexy, you know, I love you so much, man, I appreciate you. When was the last time your woman tell you that? But woman expect to hear them things upon a regular. You know what I'm saying? So, women, do the same thing. I'm going to tell you something. If you have a man who say, I'm going to go work, and I'm going to work right now, so I'm saying go work. But I'm not talking about me, I'm just saying. If you have a man that is a man that go to work, come home, have him good career field, take care of you, make sure you're good every day, in there, out. Don't think other females ain't paying attention to that. Especially if he's a brother who keep himself in shape and him not look like no tree growing on him forward, or him not look like him drop off a donkey and scrape up him face. Them thing that you want to make sure that you secure that bag. That is your bag. Secure that bag, because believe me, there's some women even when work or down the street or at the gym or wherever, grocery store, whatever, she watching. She taking notes. That brother knows commitment. That brother knows what it's like to be in a relationship and to take care of his woman. I see them all the time. They never be arguing around here. She always come through here all happy and shit. She always looking good. She always looking like she was the best man in the world. I want that. she start bat her eye after your man. She start telling man, damn, you look good today. Doing all right? That one little compliment there. Just like how he's never heard it from you, or he hasn't heard it from you in a long, long time, but him keep on hear it from this one beautiful girl out there. It's the same thing, vice versa. How man not tell them woman, oh, you beautiful, but she go work on our work boyfriend, we call them. Man where they at work, where she work, we like her off, and she kind of like him too, but she try to be faithful to you, so she hold him off out there, so, right? Like, so out there, so. But that kind of thing, that it's the same thing, vice versa. So, ladies, take my advice, man. Treat a man right. Just like how you wanted to be treated right. I know a lot of women are going to come on social media and talk about how I always treat my man right and make sure I say, and I lie y'all tell. Make the man tell it. I want you to honestly think about it today. When last you tell him all these things that I just said in this video. Alright, so this one today was for my brothers. When I like get beat down all the time, sometimes if you build up with confidence. You hear me? And stop being so rough on us and talk about, man, if you do this and man, if you do that and man, if you do that and this and that. It's too much pressure on a brother, man. Let us just be just like you want to just be. Accept our roles, take on our responsibilities, and give us credit for being there. That's it. Love we unconditionally, just like you expect. Do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Boxer. I'm out of here, man. Peace. I gotta do my work. I'll talk to y'all later. Stay tuned.